People ask me all the time, "Hey Michael, you're an immigration lawyer. My friend's case was filed at the same time in the same office and she got her green card already. Why is mine taking so long?" Well, the reason is because immigration is painfully bureaucratic, and I often have to tell people that, unfortunately, long waits are a fact of life in the immigration world. Moreover, every case is different. You can't compare your case to someone who filed on a different day with a different application reviewed by a different person for a case with an entirely different set of facts involving different people. In any case, if you are waiting for the US government to take action on your immigration visa, petition, or other application, it's very likely that you have already experienced a longer wait than you otherwise would have expected, and you are wondering, why is your best friend's case getting processed faster than your own? If this describes your situation, then stay tuned, because today I'm going to talk about the top 3 reasons I think are the most likely reasons your case is taking forever. Now let's get into the top 3 reasons. Reason number 1, your security check is taking a long time to process. Any immigration application that required you to have fingerprints or biometrics taken will involve those prints being sent to the FBI and other security agencies for a check of your criminal record and your immigration record. And this can add weeks or months to the process, particularly if you have a common name or an extensive criminal or immigration record, or if you come from a country that doesn't have a great track record of providing accurate security checks quickly. All of these factors together can delay your background check and thus delay your immigration case from moving forward. Reason number 2, the office handling your case is backed up. For the most part, USCIS reviews applications on a first-come, first-served basis, and US immigration authorities always seem to have more applications coming their way than they can possibly handle in a reasonable time. The COVID-19 pandemic made everything worse by creating nothing short of disarray, resulting in long delays and a huge visa backlog that I talk about in another video. But to give you an idea by way of statistics, the backlog grew by about 7 times over the last year. That said, it's likely that the office handling your case not only has more cases coming in than it can handle, but it also might be short-staffed due to social distancing requirements or other workforce reduction efforts, all resulting in a slow-moving immigration case. Reason number 3, you haven't adequately responded to a request for evidence. When USCIS can't approve an application based on the materials you have already provided, the agency may send you what's called a request for evidence, or an RFE. Gathering the evidence requested and returning it on time is so important, and we explain just how important that is in another video. If you ignored the RFE, or you sent your evidence in late, or you're not certain that the evidence you sent was sufficient, then this is all likely to be a reason for delay. You can see an immigration attorney for help if you were issued an RFE. You've just heard what I consider to be the top 3 reasons your immigration case may be taking longer than expected. But there are other less common reasons too, such as having your wrong address on file with the immigration authorities, your file getting lost in the system, it doesn't happen often, but it does, or being in a visa category that has a long wait list, such as adult children or siblings. If you have questions about why your immigration case is taking too long, contact an immigration attorney at Ruddle Law today to see how we can help you. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, click that bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel and our newsletter if you haven't already, and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on the ways US immigration laws affect everyone. I'm attorney Michael Ruddle. Keep climbing that mountain.